In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check backlinks in Ahrefs. Understanding how backlinks function and where they come from can provide you with crucial insights into both your website's performance and that of your competitors. Recognizing the power of backlinks in SEO strategy can make all the difference in increasing your visibility online. So let's dive in and explore this together. The first step on our journey is to navigate to Ahrefs' backlink checker page. If you're not familiar with Ahrefs, it's a comprehensive tool that's widely used by SEO professionals for analyzing website traffic, competitor insights, and much more. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Ahrefs. Or if you already have it bookmarked, simply click there. Once you've arrived on the backlink checker page, you'll find a search bar waiting for you to fill it with a URL. This can be your own website or the URL of a competitor you're curious about. Enter the URL in the search field and click on the search button to initiate the analysis. The anticipation builds as Ahrefs begins to gather and process the data. This may take a moment, so take a deep breath and get ready for some valuable insights. Now, let's walk through what you'll see on your screen after Ahrefs completes its evaluation. The first thing to catch your eye will likely be the total number of backlinks. Backlinks are essentially links from other websites that point to your site or the specified URL. They are a key factor in determining your website's authority and relevance in search engine rankings. Moving on, you'll see the total number of referring domains. This is different from the backlink count, as it represents the number of individual domains that have at least one link pointing to your URL. Websites with a higher number of unique referring domains are often viewed as more credible by search engines. Next, your attention will be drawn to the domain rating, or DR. This is a score on a scale from 0 to 100 that Ahrefs gives to indicate the overall strength of a website's backlink profile. The higher the DR, the more authoritative the site. Keep in mind, though, that this is just one piece of the puzzle in evaluating a site's standing. Adjacent to the domain rating, you'll find the Ahrefs rank, abbreviated as AR. This ranking system helps position your website on a global platform among other sites. A lower AR number reflects a stronger backlink profile relative to other sites around the world. Finally, immerse yourself in the data showing backlink growth over time. This section is incredibly telling as it indicates trends and progress, showing whether your site has been gaining or losing backlinks. It's an essential aspect for assessing how effective your current strategies are over time. By leveraging this detailed analysis from Ahrefs, you can make informed, strategic decisions about optimizing your website and staying ahead in the competitive digital landscape. That's how you check backlinks using Ahrefs. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to guiding you through more SEO insights next time.